Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template along with transitions and animations in PowerPoint. So tag along and watch the video till end. But first, I have a request for you. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon and also like the video. Be sure to comment down to let us know about your opinions. So let's begin. But let me tell you that you can download this template for absolutely for free from the link in the description below. First of all, you're going to insert a picture that covers the entire slide and crop the unwanted part. And you're going to go to format picture and decrease its brightness to -46 degree. And you're going to insert a huge text box and increase its size and insert your text and you're going to give it a dark font. What you're going to do next is change its color to white. Well, first of all, remove its outline and give it an outline and remove its fill and also give the shape and outline. So this first template is almost complete. We're going to duplicate this template and half the picture. We're going to put the text aside and we're going to replace this picture from for another picture. We're gonna go give the lesser brightness to this picture as well. Decrease the text size and put it into the center of the picture that we have decreased the size of. Somewhere right here, we're going to duplicate this same text box by pressing Ctrl plus D, but we're going to go to shape fill and we're going to give it a shape fill of white and remove the outline of the rectangle. There you go. Now the next thing you're going to do is select both of them and place them right here. And you're going to change the format background to gray color and you're going to apply this to all of the templates. And we're going to go to illustrations and insert this background outlines. We're going to duplicate them by pressing Ctrl plus G that they cover the entire slide. And we're going to group them and we're going to send them to the back and adjust their sizes. Go to Format Graphic and increase their transparency and close the Format Graphic panel. And we're going to adjust the size into the center on the bottom of the picture. Let me just copy my headings and other text and let's change the color and paste them right here. Insert a text box in which you're going to add some other decorative text. For now, I'm going to just use hello as that text and I'm going to increase its size and change its color to white. Let's adjust it into it here, into the template. And we're going to go to format text options and we're going to increase its transparency like this. Close the panel and we're going to duplicate this template as well. For this picture, we're going to decrease its size. But this picture is not wanted, so let's just cut it out and we're going to insert a rounded corner rectangle, select the text and move it onto the left side. For this rounded corner rectangle, go to format pitch shape and we're going to insert a picture in it. I'm going to use the same picture from the first template and I'm going to crop it out to adjust its size and close the panel. And we're going to put the title from the previous template right here on top. And for this text, we're just going to remove it. And for the space two words, we're just going to put them downward right here and move them upwards a little bit by adjusting their sizes. And for this content text, let's just remove it for now. We're going to go to Insert tab and we're going to insert a rectangle that covers half of the template. We're going to go to Format tab and give it a gradient of two gradient stops using pink and peach color. We're going to change their direction as well. This is how it looks right now. Let me just copy all my text and shape and I'm going to paste them right here. So duplicate this template again. We're going to cut out these shapes along with these tags and we're going to put the header right here. And let me just copy the content text and paste it right here along with the header and we're going to insert a rectangle this long and we're going to remove its outline and duplicate it and unite both of them And we're going to go to format shape and we're going to insert an image that best suits this template. Crop it from picture format. Here you go. Let me just adjust its size. Here you go. Close the format shape panel and move it move this shape onto the left side. So this template is almost complete, but we're just gonna add some other text. And let's just remove this hello text. We're going to duplicate this template and we're gonna go to insert tab and insert a rectangle and some more rectangles in this pattern, and we're going to insert a picture in them. And for the other text, I'm just going to paste it right here. Let's increase this rectangle size and let's group the text for now and move it into the center. Here you go. This is how all these templates look. So we have made a complete of about 5 templates. Now it's time to give the transition. We're going to copy the text from the second template and move it onto the first template by pasting it and moving it out of the template like this in this pattern. Select the other text as well and move it onto the left side. Go to third template and select other contents. You're going to paste them onto the second template and you're going to move these shapes right here down. And for the rectangle, what you're going to do is you're going to move the text. First of all, select all these circles. Wait, we're gonna select the circles and let me just move this text right here out of the template. We're gonna give them this specific pattern, and for these circles, we're gonna move them down out of the template and this rectangle goes upwards. We're gonna go to second template and copy this hello and move it onto the out of the template on the first template. We're going to copy this shape and move it onto the third template by pasting it and move it out of the template. Select the other text and move it onto the third template, and you're gonna select the other contents of template number 4 and paste it onto template number 3 and move it out of the template. And we're gonna go to fifth template and we're gonna copy its content and move it onto the fourth template and paste it right here, but move it out of the template by moving it either onto the left or the right side. For this one, we're gonna copy the content of fourth template and paste it onto the fifth one. And we're going to move it out of the template because that is how the all of the content of the fourth slide will go out of the fifth template. Similarly, we're gonna do the same for the other templates by moving their contents to the next template, but moving them out of the template because we want them to disappear when we open the next template. And this is how we're gonna do everything. So let me just select this text and copy it and paste it. And I'm also gonna move this and everything right here. So that was all you had to do. Go to transitions and give all of the templates morph transition by selecting all of them and giving them the transition. So this is the final result. And I hope you liked this video, and if you did, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to like this video. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description, and I have also given the color palettes and everything along with it. You can also edit this template from the link in the description. And that was all for today. Meet you in another video soon with more amazing content and stuff like this.